Hey, what's up my cruisers? Welcome to another video. Did you know that you can now tap to pay using just your phone at Costco gas stations? Well, in this video I'll be teaching you how to tap to pay using your Costco digital membership card. So sit back, relax, and download the Costco app if you haven't done it, and let's get it going. Once you pull up to a gas pump, you're going to take out your phone. Once you have your phone out, you're going to open your Costco app on your phone. Right here, I'm going to log into your Costco. So with your Costco digital membership card, you're going to scan the QR code on the red laser. Then it's going to tell you tap or insert. So we're going to use the phone. And there you go. That's how you do it. You just scan your membership ID on the QR code right here, and then you just tap or use a credit card. That's basically how I use the digital pay at Costco. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, comment down below if you got any questions, and I'll see you on the next one.